To enable Billink, just click the Billink button down on the bottom of your screen. It's a two-step process. Click Activate. The first screen that will come up will show your practice details. I'll just make a little amendment here. Once you're ready, just click the OK button below. Once you click this button, it will take approximately 4 or 5 seconds for Billink to check the credentials and open up the Billink onboarding page. Once this page comes up, you'll see that there are 3 to 4 elements on the left-hand side under the summary. First off, it will ask you to confirm that you are acting on or are a partner in a practice or own a business that is eligible for onboarding. And the second piece it will ask you to provide at the end of onboarding is your bank account or IBAN. Now you could leave here at this stage, but we recommend it's better to get it done all in one go. Click and progress. Next up, it'll ask you for your practice or business details. Whether you're a multiple or a single owner, select whatever is most appropriate for you and pop in your practice details such as practice name and address, area code, postcode. You can put in your practice phone number and practice email. Now we can update all of these details after your onboarding, so don't worry if you make a mistake. Pick your county, area code as I said, and then if you also have a practice website, you can include that below. If you don't, just hit no, and then click on the next step to progress. Next up, you'll provide your practice detail or your personal details. So your first name, your surname, your address. These are regulatory requirements as you are the nominated person on the account. We need to know who you are as part of AML and KYC details. So just pop in your own details here, your address, your county, area code, postcode, and contact details again. Once you're ready, hit next step below on the bottom right. Finally, pop in your account name and IBAN. Hit submit after reviewing the terms and conditions. It takes about 3 to 4 seconds for us to verify your IBAN and account details are correct. And that's it. You are now fully onboarded with Billink. We recommend logging out of DGL and back into the homepage just to make sure that all the tokens and credentials or everything are set up correctly. But that is it. You are now fully onboarded. You have an active Billink account and you can take your payments right away. Watch our next video to see how to take your first payment fully embedded within the DGL Practice Manager system.